It's a bird. It's a plane. Well, what is it? That's the question many folks are asking after a rather loud sound vibrated through Little Rock late last night and apparently this morning. Social media was buzzing with this morning as several people shared what they thought was the answer to the unexplained boom that was heard.
What I would like to know is what it was, and is it going to happen again, so that I won't be so in suspense and afraid.
The answer is clear. I don't know. While some thought it might have been F-18 fighter jets passing through, perhaps breaking the sound barriers, others feared the worst. In a web extra you can find at krk.com. Hear from people who heard that noise and what folks on social media are saying about it.